a as quick as I can tutorial on how to take a flat drawing. In this case, it's a drawing of the front and side, a flat drawing of a 3D object and creating a 3D model from it. This is a picture drawn by a middle school student of Baymax. But the first thing I do is I just trace and try to try to use all the curves as close as possible. And so this was a trace of the side view, and then the trace of the front view and a leg, and I think I've got an arm and a head. So this is the hard part, is taking these curves and then moving it. So this is a super complicated one. I shouldn't frame that. Normally they're not that hard. But I would take it over here and find the points that are the same. This point goes down to here, this point here, and then stretch it to fit. And from that, I have, so yeah, there's the body, and I can redo the body. I can select all these curves, and then the tool in Rhino is something like surface from curve network. And so that's a 3D part produced from 2 views. And then I just did that with each of these. Now we have some pictures of, I printed a few of these, and I had some problems with this hand because it prints this way, and then this hand will kind of melt off because it's printing from the bottom up. I may try printing on the back, or maybe I could change the model a little bit, but generally this arm is the one that falls down and this one's not. And I can tell now, when I look at it, there's a gap here that isn't on this side. Okay, so I can take this and print it, but we can also do another technique, which is taking the 3D model in. This is a little just simple model of a handle for a cabinet. And I can select all kinds of different ways to slice up the 3D model. And this software outputs patterns that we can then print out. We can print it out on paper and cut it out with scissors. In our case, we're going to take it and put it into a machine called the laser cutter that cuts each of these out. And let me show you what the pattern, I've done this already for Baymax. So let me show you what the patterns for Baymax look like. So this is the, So this is Baymax's main body, and it's been hollowed out so we can fit electronics inside of it. There's the arm, and I have to cut 2 of those. Now the left leg and right leg are different, so I had to create 2 different models. I would definitely do that differently next time. Only one pattern for a leg, and just flip it. So yeah, there's the right leg. And pretty much how these fit together, I think is like this. Yeah, and so the 3D model actually has a little bit of this cut out. If you see, there are some in the body. You see there's a couple holes there, and then there's this weird break here. Those are the parts that are cut out, so the arms will lay down in here. So I need to do the head. And I have no idea how the legs are going to fit onto the body, but we may try it in small scale and then make it bigger. We'll see how it turns out.